next in line is prestigious winner for excellence in manufacturing railway tracks, sleepers and components. This goes to Vossloh, India. Hearty congratulations to them.
Vossloh has representation at various locations in India, Bangalore, Bhilai, Hyderabad, New Delhi, etc. for many years and is thus an established entity in this region. Vossloh has fitted the Delhi Metro with 342 switches as well as track fasteners. They are also active in other parts of the country and projects. They are having multiple manufacturing plants supplying CMS crossings, thick web switches and electric point machines to railways and metros in India.
First of all, thank you Rain Analysis and the jurors for this honor. Vossloh is a well-known company around the world and we are truly a track infrastructure integrators. We are manufacturers, we are maintainers now, we are digital as well with our new sensors and digital portfolio being launched in India. So thank you.